Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to install and set up your Yespo CDP Actions Automation for Workflow app. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install and select the account in which you want your app to be installed. You can select your account, click on Continue. You scroll down and then you click on Allow and Install. Then your custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link and head over back to your account. Click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Custom Menu Link. Click on Create New. Select an icon. Enter your custom menu link name. Scroll down and paste your custom menu link. Scroll down and select the account where you want all your tools to be available. Here, you're going to choose who can see this link. It's either all, the user, or the admin. We'll be going with all. When you're done, click on Save. Continue. We are going to switch to our account in order to connect the tools to our Yespo platforms. You search for your custom menu link, you click on it, search for the app, and click on Setup Required. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentations, and under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue videos that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video, which is going to help you to set up the app. We have the setup. Under the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Click on the highlight. Click on the highlight. Click on settings. Click on API. And then you click on new key. You're going to enter a description. And you're going to select the access right for the API key. We'll be choosing full access to API. Once you're done, click on Save. As you can see, our API key has been successfully created. So we are going to copy our API key. Copy. Head over back to our account. Click on Start Setup. Enter your API key. Paste. Head over back to your account. Click on the highlight. Copy your email and head over back to your account. Our email is going to serve as your username. So you're going to paste your email here. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully created. Our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the update of